Wonderful morning, children. Welcome to Lakshmi Study Room. In this video, we are going to learn about the two experiments. That is, how can we prove that carbon dioxide is produced during aerobic respiration, and how can we prove that heat is produced during aerobic respiration. In this previous class, we have already learnt in anaerobic respiration experiment. How can we prove that carbon dioxide as well as heat is produced during anaerobic respiration? But what's the aerobic and what's the anaerobic respiration? If respiration carried out in the presence of oxygen will be called as a aerobic respiration. If respiration without oxygen carried out in the absence of oxygen, it will be called as a anaerobic respiration. So first we should move on to the first experiment. How can we prove that carbon dioxide is evolved during aerobic respiration? So the aim, the following, if any experiments, if you want to write, the follow these steps exactly. So what's the aim? To prove that carbon dioxide is evolved during the respiration. And what the materials required for this experiment? If you want to see the, if you want to know the materials for this, we have to know the materials. So we have to take dry seeds and germinating seeds and one glass bottle. See this one is a glass bottle and this one is a small beaker, glass bottle or plastic bottle we can call it as a, and sprouted seeds, and otherwise it will be called as a germinating seeds or sprouts we can call it as a, at one rubber cork also we can take here. So how can we prepare the germinating seeds? So take some handful of seeds and take a bowl and we take some handful of seeds and that should be add some water and soak the seeds in a water day before you perform the experiment, and keep these soaked seeds in a cloth pouch. After that we can separate the seeds from the water and it should be kept in a cloth pouch and tie with a string tightly, and keep the cloth pouch in a corner in your home or in your classroom. So next day collect the sprouts or germinated seeds from the pouch and keep it in a one glass bottle or plastic bottle, and take small beaker. It should be filled with 3/3 of lime water and the cork should be closed tightly. So without entry of any gases from the, it can prevent the entry of any gases from the outside. Same set of, that means the this type of set arranged with dry seeds, same set prepare, but instead of germinating seeds we can take here, what we can take here, dry seeds. So these two sets undisturbed for 1 or 2 days. So during this time what we can observe? So we can observe, what we can observe? Observe the color of the lime water. So this is the procedure. Then observation, what we can observe in this, so we have a two identical sets, one with dry seeds, one with sprouted seeds. So sprouted seeds we can draw like this and dry seeds we can draw. So dry seeds are the lime water did not show any change in the dry seeds, because dry seeds don't have any life, it cannot perform respiration. But sprouted seeds have a life, they can perform respiration in the presence of in respiration. Carbon dioxide is produced. By using carbon dioxide, the lime water will be turned into milky white. Whenever we use lime water in these experiments, what we can observe, it can prove that carbon dioxide, whether carbon dioxide is produced or not. So result, what it result? It indicates that germinate seeds are present respired and liberated carbon dioxide, which turns lime water into white precipitate, or that can be changed into thick white color fluid. So this is all about for this experiment. Some practice questions I gave here. So how can you prove that carbon dioxide is evolved during respiration? It is a direct question. And how can you prove that sprouted seeds evolve carbon dioxide during respiration? And write experimental procedure. That means how can you prove that carbon dioxide, whether carbon dioxide is produced or not, how can we prove? By using lime water, we can prove that whenever the lime water turned into milky white or white precipitation, we can prove that the carbon dioxide will produce it from during respiration. And write the experimental procedure and draw the arrangement of apparatus to show that carbon dioxide is evolved during respiration. That means these questions, these three types of questions, here three types of questions are there, but answer is the same for the question. So the next experiment is to prove that heat is evolved during aerobic respiration. So in previous experiment, what we can take, what is the experiment that one? To prove that carbon dioxide is produced during aerobic respiration. To prove that carbon dioxide, we can use lime water. To prove that heat, what we have to use here, thermometer. By using thermometer, we can prove that heat is produced during respiration. So what's the aim? Same, that to prove that heat is evolved during respiration. And what the material required here? Here this one is a thermos flask, because thermos flask maintain the temperature constantly. It did not change with the external conditions, so it should maintain constant temperature. That's why we want to record the temperature increasing in the thermometer. So that's why we have to use what we can use, thermos flask. That means we have to take 2 thermos flask, 2 thermometers and 2 rubber corks with 1 hold. So 1 hold rubber cork we should have to take 2, and we have to take germinating seeds and dry seeds. So we have to arrange 2 identical sets. Identical means equal sets we have to arrange. This one is the process. So to take handful of what are the seeds? Bengal gram seeds, and these seeds will be, and insert one thermometer through this hole, and the bulb of thermometer should be dip in the germinating seeds and as well as another set dry seeds also. So remove the next, record the initial temperature. So whenever we insert the thermometer in the sprouted seed, which what we have to do, record the initial reading, and we have to arrange this type of identical set with the dry seeds also. So we have to leave these sets up to 24 hours without undisturbed for 24 hours. So these 2 sets. So we have to, what we can do here, observation, what we can observe here. So we have to note the temperature for every 2 hours up to 24 hours. Then what will happen? Is it can we observe any increasing in the reading? Yes, we can observe the increasing in the reading. But in which flask has a increasing in reading? The sprouts containing thermometer containing thermos flask, the thermometer increasing in the reading. But the dry seeds containing thermometer, it does not show any change. So this is the difference between 2 flasks. So observation, constant increasing in the temperature is observed in the thermometer placed in the germinating seeds, and result. So hence it is proved that germinating seeds respire and liberate heat, which is responsible for a increasing in the thermometer, increasing in the temperature. But no change occur in the temperature while it kept in the dry seeds. Is there any change in some practice questions also I gave here? Is there any change in any increase in temperature? Yes. The thermometer kept inside the germinating seeds, we can observe the increasing in the temperature. So where does the heat come from? So from germinating seeds, they produced, respiration takes place in the germinating seeds. During the process of respiration, heat will be produced. So how can we show that heat is liberated during respiration. With the help of thermometer recording, we can prove that one. Whenever the increasing in the thermometer readings, we can prove that heat is liberated. So otherwise the question will be given like this also. Explain the procedure do you have adapted in your school to prove that heat is liberated during respiration, and what result we will get if you perform this experiment with the dry seeds. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Please like my videos, share my videos to your friends and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. If you click on the bell icon, whenever I make a new video, you will get a notification. Thank you.